Stop searching for the best cybersecurity project, because your search ends right here. Presenting Neon Reaper, a high-performance malware interrogation system. Whether you're looking for a standout college submission or a high-impact project to supercharge your resume, this is for you. I built this to be more than just a tool. It's a powerhouse for anyone serious about cyber engineering. If you find this valuable, share it with your college mates. And please, do subscribe. Let's begin. Hey everyone, I'm Zain Malik and my channel is Exploitra project. Feature reveal. At the heart of Neon Reaper lies the hybrid engine. It starts with local signature matching, instantly generating MD5 and SHA-256 hashes to catch known threats in milliseconds. But if the local database misses it, the MalwareBazaar cloud integration kicks in. It queries a global repository of millions of live samples, identifying even the latest malware families like TrickBot or Emotet in real time. Next up is the advanced zip decryptor. Neon Reaper doesn't just stop at archived files. It performs on-the-fly cracking. By using a curated common passwords list, it automatically unlocks protected zips to find what's hidden inside. But it doesn't stop there. Through recursive scanning, the engine deep dives into every nested folder, extracting and scanning every single file individually. And once the threat is identified, the automated cleanup kicks in, wiping all temporary data to keep your system clean and clutter-free. Next is, to ensure peak performance, I've integrated real-time system vitals. This feature continuously monitors your CPU and RAM usage as the scan progresses. It's designed to provide a transparent look at how the hybrid engine manages system resources, ensuring that even the deepest scans stay optimized and lightning fast. Before we jump into the UI, let's look at the sheer scale of this project. Building a scanner is one thing, but making it accurate requires data. I've integrated a massive signature library. We are talking about over 1.9 million MD5 hashes and a specialized set of 40,000 SHA-256 signatures for high priority threats. Every line of this code is optimized to parse through millions of records in a split second, ensuring that the performance never lags, no matter how large the directory. For the purists who love the terminal, I've kept a CLI-based execution mode. It's straightforward. You copy the directory or file path, paste it into the engine, and let it run. In this first test, the engine cross-references the local database. Within seconds, it analyzes the file structure and returns a clean status. It's fast, lightweight, and perfect for low-resource environments. Now, let's talk about the user experience. By launching the Flask server and heading over to the localhost, we enter the Neon Reaper dashboard. I wanted a cyberpunk feel, so I used Glassmorphism for the containers and a dynamic matrix-style background for that immersive hacker aesthetic. The UI isn't just for looks, it's fully responsive and gives you a high-tech control center feel while managing your system's security. Let's put it to work. I'm selecting a standard system file and hitting Initiate Scan. Listen closely, the integrated AI assistant provides real-time feedback.
Initiating deep security scan.
The engine is now performing a deep-level interrogation of the file.
Scan complete. Your system is safe.
The result comes back clean. The UI confirms it with a green status, giving the user total peace of mind. Now, for the ultimate test, malware detection. I am feeding a known malicious sample into the path. Notice the shift in the UI, the system immediately flags it with a danger alert.
Initiating deep security scan. Warning. Malicious signature found. Delete recommended.
The engine doesn't just identify the threat, it gives you the power to neutralize it. By clicking Delete Infected File, the script executes a secure wipe. As you can see on the side-by-side folder view, the file is instantly removed from the storage. This is proactive security at its finest. I put a lot of work into the logic and UI of this scanner, and your support means the world to me. If this video helped you understand malware interrogation better, please do subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll catch you in the next deep dive.